With 1.4 billion citizens and counting, and tech adoption gaining traction across the country, India is a key focus for almost every social media platform and is now leading the region in terms of total users for Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Clubhouse. LinkedIn is also seeing a significant increase in Indian usage. Yes, you heard that right. Hello, I am Anjali and today I am back with another exciting news from the social media ecosystem. As seen in the updated user map, India is now LinkedIn's second largest user market, trailing only the United States. With the emerging region becoming more of a focus, LinkedIn has announced its first regional language support with Hindi now available in the app. Although Hindi is the most widely spoken language in India, there are numerous other widely spoken languages and dialects that LinkedIn is no doubt looking to incorporate as a part of its larger push in the country. According to LinkedIn, users will be able to access their feed, profile, jobs, messaging, and create content in Hindi on desktop and mobile devices. The company also stated that it intends to support 60 million Hindi-speaking people worldwide. LinkedIn now supports 25 languages worldwide thanks to the addition of the language to the platform. As a part of the Phase 1 rollout, the feature will be available on Android and iOS devices as well as desktop computers. Now, let's look into the steps of using LinkedIn in the Hindi language. To use LinkedIn in Hindi, mobile users must choose Hindi as their preferred device language in their phone settings. The LinkedIn experience will be available in Hindi for users who have Hindi set as their preferred language on their smartphones. Desktop users should click on the Me icon at the top of their LinkedIn homepage and then on Settings and Privacy. Users must then click on Account Preferences, then Site Preferences, and then change Next to Language, and finally Hindi. Users will be able to view and access the platform in Hindi after the change is made. According to the company, user-generated content including posts will be displayed in the language in which they are created. Those who have chosen Hindi as their primary language will see Hindi translations when they click on the See Translation button. Over time, you can expect more social apps to prioritize Indian users, which will likely result in more tests and features tailored in the region. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and before leaving, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Propel Guru's YouTube channel.